Okay, Avery. So this present is for your birthday from Bob, okay? So can you open up this present and we'll see what's inside?
Yeah.
Okay, so there's a card also. So this is from Bob and Karen.
Bob and Karen.
Bob and Karen.
Hello, Bob and Karen. Hello, Bob and Karen. Can you open the card?
Sure, open the card.
Need some help? I can do it.
Nice. What does it say? It says, let's look at the front. It says, "You're cute. You're sweet. You're lovable too." Here, open it up here. Look inside.
It might be money.
Wow. You want to know what it says?
Yeah.
I'll read it, okay? Avery, make sure you tell Charlie about the story.
Oh,
you could read it out loud to him. Happy birthday, Bob. And then it says, "Avery, happy birthday, sweetie, from Karen. P.S. Sorry it's late." Well, it's not late. It's okay. Happy third birthday. Okay, so let's open up the present.
Oh, it's probably about Charlie.
You think it's about Charlie? Here.
It's probably about a chocolate lab
Let's do
named
this here.
Charlie.
Let me show you. Flip it over and pull that. There you go.
Oh.
Wow.
Need some help? I can do it.
Wow. You're a good present opener.
What? More? Come on. More wrapping, Avery.
Here, flip it this way. Flip it like this. Oh. What is it?
Egypt.
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 Wow.
It's an Egypt pop-up book.
An Egypt pop-up book. That's awesome. And look, Charlie Brown is here.
He likes it.
He likes it. Wow.
Egypt. Egypt. Hi, Karen. Hi, Bob. Hi, Karen. Hi, Bob.
Do you like that book? Can you flip the pages a little bit? Go to the next page. Can you go to the next page? I'll show you like this.
Let's see what's next.
Whoa. That is really cool.
Whoa. That's in there. Now
So we are going to read it to Charlie, and we'll read it. Looks like they both like it. Can you say thank you, Karen and Bob?
Thank you, Karen and Bob. Thank you, Karen and Bob.
All right.
Turn the page. Every turn the page.